Hey guys, today is Monday. It's the beginning of the week for me. It's about mid-fall here. It's like middle October, well, late mid-October, the 23rd. And the weather outside is brisk. It's starting to reach peak season, it seems. Like the colors are really changing quickly, and I don't know if it's the temperature telling the trees to sort of do their thing a little bit earlier than usual, but it did cool down quite a bit. The temperature dove about maybe 20 or 30 degrees within the span of a week, and it's stayed down into the lower 50s. So very, very excited about the change in weather. I love the fall, and I'm very grateful to all of you guys who have continued to support, and especially grateful about the shop release that we did. That went really well, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But today has just been organizing the shop, and you can see here in the time lapse that I've just been doing my best to kind of get the space back together, as this past week has been very full from doing projects with Fundamentals of Wood Carving, which is my online school. I've been doing a lot with teaching with Sam, working on, I think we knocked out like 3 or 4 videos in the last couple of weeks, and that's been great for the school. And catching up on the cleaning part of the whole thing has just kind of been backed up into today. So that's okay. But I've had a lot of time while I've been cleaning to think and kind of go over all the projects that I have. And I've realized that in the same way that, at the beginning of the week, it's great to write out, to kind of clean up your shop and sweep up and get everything organized. Doing that mentally is good, and I found that one of the best ways of doing that, easiest ways of doing that, is to keep a calendar that you can see the whole month, right? I like these big whiteboard calendars, but there's paper ones that you can get, you can throw out, probably just as good or better. Beyond that, it's been great. I've had the opportunity to play with clay again, which I always love working with clay. I'm super a fan of clay, and I always have a hard time with it when it's soft. But when eventually it kind of gets harder, it falls more into the realm of wood, and that makes me a lot happier. So this is a planter. It's a lotus planter that I was commissioned to carve for a not-for-profit organization that is involved in, I think, helping women and children in Haiti. So grateful that's going to a good place. Finally buttoned that one up over the weekend. And yeah, I'm just getting back into the swing of things today. I've got some design work to do. I'm working on a massive 9-foot by 4-foot sauna sign. It's a sauna and tub place. So you do the cold plunges and the hot finish sauna, kind of like the one I have in my yard. And recommend them, Southfield Family Sauna, if you're in the Michigan area, the Metro Detroit area. Especially the Detroit area. It's a great place to go to sauna. So I'm making them a big sign, and my buddy John in Leonard has been working on a glue up for me. So hopefully into next week, I'll be starting that. As this week, I'm finishing up my deer project. The deer project I've been working on has been totally out of my comfort zone. I haven't done any deer carvings in a very long time. So it's been great to get back to that, and the added difficulty and challenge of doing the antlers coming up here and compensating for those while they'll be glued on later, and all of that. It's been good. And so once the design is shored up this week, I'll be approving that with Patrick on the sauna sign, and I'll be getting into hopefully delivering the lotus planter to the hands of the client. I forgot to mention that they're going to actually be, I hesitate to hold this thing because it's not been fired yet, but they're going to be casting it and making reproductions. So if I get information on that, we'll definitely send it to you guys, and or post it somewhere on the website. But anyway, speaking of website, the shop release, I did a carving drop. It's kind of funny to think about that I've been carving and selling carvings as a full-time career for 17 years and have not used the internet properly to sell carvings. I've done individual releases once in a while, maybe once in a couple of years I'll do that. But this is the first time I did an actual full proper shop release where I put out 12 carvings. And actually 10 carvings sold as a result of that. 9 on the shop and then one other one sold outside of that. So very grateful at the response there. Very close to selling out. And the 2 that didn't sell were gold leafed carvings, and I think you folks have spoken with your feet on that one. The gold leaf is not it for you. There's a green man up there, and so I hope that someone snags that as well, because it's a nice carving for the price. So look at that. I'm going to do another shop release. I talked about doing it in the beginning of this coming month. The only problem I see with that is that I'll be so busy with commissions, I might not have the time to fill out the inventory. If I do a release this beginning of November, those of you who are on the email list, you can get on that via the website. I'll link that below. But you'll hear from me if I do. I don't think I will, though. I don't think I'll have the time. If I do a release, look for 4 or 5 carvings to drop. If not, in December, early December, first Friday in December, I'll be putting out a nice batch of carvings, probably more than I would normally. So hopefully more than 10, maybe 12, 13, 14, 15 carvings. So that's that. Looking forward to the next release. Looking forward to that. The support that you guys have given me on the last one was very surprising and very welcome. So I appreciate that. I look forward to chatting with Doug on the Coffee and Carving Show. We'll talk more about all this stuff and where we're at in our projects. And just shoot the breeze as we always do. So if you're a big fan of wood carving, as I am, check out the Coffee and Carving Show. Also, sponsor for this week is Fundamentals of Wood Carving. It's an online school that specializes in helping folks carve realistic faces in wood. It founded by yours truly, and thanks to the brilliant advice and web development and idea for the whole thing from Todd German, so thanks to him for that, and the help that he and his partners gave me in building that out. And so if you're trying to learn about carving realistic faces from beginner stuff all the way to advanced and everything in between, it's a great place. It's one of the comprehensive resources online for learning to carve realistic faces and taking that into an advanced level. So that's available, and it's a monthly subscription. I mean, it's a fraction of the cost of an in-person class. You literally could subscribe to the school and get 80 plus project video, instructional project videos, and only pay for the price of one in-person class, one project in class per in-person. So it's still less than that. So anyway, I digress. Check that out in the link below, and have a great week, guys. Be blessed. Take care.